Question 1. Here is a sequence of patterns made from buttons. We have patterns number 1, 2 and 3 and they're shown above in these Y shapes. In the space below, draw pattern number 4. Well, the first pattern has this central button here and then one top left, top right and below. We then have this central button here in the second one, 2 top left, 2 top right and 2 below, and it continues like that. So with the third one, 3 either side of it. So our pattern number here is going to have this central one. We're then going to have 4 buttons going to above left, above right and below. You don't need this in colours, but I'm just hopefully that stands out more. That is our pattern number 4. Next bit. This rule can be used to find the number of buttons in a pattern. We have multiply the pattern number by 3. Should actually highlight this as well, the pattern number by 3, and then add 1 to the result. So if we're being asked to work out the number of buttons in pattern number 8, then that means we take 8, we then multiply it by 3 as per the rule, and then we add 1 afterwards. That is going to give us an answer of 25. What we then have for part C, work out the pattern number. So this is asking us for the orange term when we know we have 55 buttons. Well, here we've got to go backwards. So based on this, you can, instead of multiplying by 3 and then adding 1, if we go the opposite way, we're going to take away 1 to begin with and then divide by 3. There's more than one way of setting this out, but if we just follow that rule backwards, we take away our 1 to get 54, and then we divide by 3, that gives us 18. 18 is the pattern number. You could also set this up as an equation. The pattern number is the unknown here, so if we have this multiplying by 3 and adding 1, you could set up as an equation of 3x plus 1, and that gives us the number of buttons, which in this particular instance is 55, and then if you solve the equation that way, you'd end up with x equals 18. Two different ways of doing it, both are perfectly correct. Done.